Hey guys, so I opened up my well, they opened up my games and my animals have finally hatched. So I'm excited. The first one was luckily a platypus, which I was really hoping for. So okay. Oh, I gotta name her. Okay. Okay. Glimmer.
Jojo.
Jonah, don't let her do that. That's gonna hurt.
Ow!
Yeah, I told you. Okay, Glimmer. I miss. Glimmer. OMG, this is so hard. Choosing names is like the hardest thing for me. Glitter Note. You know what? I like Gold Note instead. So yay! Personality, calm, favorite note, skis. Ooh, cook. Me too. Yes! OMG! This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted the baby chick. Okay. Okay, I kind of have to go gold with that. The gold, it just suits us so well. Gold. I know these are all in alphabetical order. So if I go to the top. So if they even have it. Okay, here's the C. Chip, Chaser, Cat, Gold Cat, Gold Car. Ooh. Nope, okay, I thought they have like Gold Chick or something. Goldberg. Yeah. Woohoo! And I got a crocodile. Now I'm gonna name her. Huh. Miss. Miss Croc. Like the shoe brand. Okay. Egg rolls. Those are good. Peaceful. Kite. Okay, she doesn't seem like a bad crocodile. Oh, look! Oh, that's cute. Okay. This one was supposed to be a chick in case I got a chick. But oh my gosh. Okay. Patch Croc. Ooh. That actually sounds nice. Patch Crystal. Cautious. Okay, I'm very cautious as well. Well, sometimes. Sometimes I can just be a wreck. Oh, Rock Garden. Sandwiches. Yum. Oh, this actually isn't a bad color. This one was supposed to be for a platypus, but it works. Princess. Dove. Pizza, bow and arrows, excitable. Okay. So I got the two I want and the colors I wanted. That's amazing. That's great. I'm happy. And
The puppy bite me.
I don't know.
Under the bed. In the start.
Yeah. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. Okay. Someone was trading me a bunch of animals yesterday because I kept trading her doo-doo birds. So, yay! Look at my golden bird. Well, thanks guys. Bye!